Healthy morning, students. In last video we have understood about the life processes. In this video we'll learn autotrophic nutrition, that means nutrition in plants. Let us understand. We know very well that autotrophic nutrition, it is only performed by the plants. Let us understand how. See, meaning of auto means self and trophic means feeding. So meaning of autotrophic is self-feeding. That means the organism which can synthesize their own food are called autotrophs, and such nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. That means the organism which can make their own food are called autotrophic. We know very well only plants can make their own food, so they come under the autotrophic. Let us understand how these plants make their own food. See, for the preparation of food, plant mainly required inorganic materials like water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. Mainly plant required carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. Let us understand what exactly the inorganic materials called. Inorganic materials are those materials which are non-living. That means the material which obtained from the non-living things, and the organic materials are those material which obtained from living things like carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, lipids. These all are the organic materials which we obtain from the living things. That means we obtain from the food, and we obtain food from the living things. That's why it is called organic material, while these all are called inorganic material. So to prepare its food, see, food of the plant, that means carbohydrate. So to make the carbohydrate in the plant required water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and fourth thing that required by the plant is chlorophyll. We know very well that by the process of photosynthesis, plant make its own food. Now let us understand the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process mainly takes place in the leaf of the plant, that also called kitchen of the plant. Let us see what part the leaf have where the photosynthesis process takes place. If we take cross section of the leaf, cross section, that means if we cut the leaf, then it have main cell organelle called chloroplast. This is chloroplast, which is organelle of the plant. In this chloroplast, plant have chlorophyll. These are the chlorophyll, green color material, which prepare the food. Now let us understand the photosynthesis process. The process in which plant use water and carbon dioxide. Plant use inorganic material like water and carbon dioxide to prepare carbohydrate in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. See, now we'll understand mainly three processes involved in the photosynthesis. First step is, see, this is the chlorophyll of the leaf. In first step, chlorophyll molecule get activated by the sunlight. Whenever sunlight fall on the chlorophyll, it absorb light energy. This is the first step, absorption of the light energy by the chlorophyll. Now after absorption of light energy, in second step, this chlorophyll convert this light energy into chemical energy. This light energy is converted into chemical energy, that means into carbohydrate. See, in second step, with the help of this light energy, water splits into hydrogen and oxygen. We know very well that water is made up of mainly two atoms, actually 3 atoms, 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The second step, this chlorophyll split water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen with the help of sunlight. Third step which is involved in the photosynthesis is whatever hydrogen generated in second step, it utilized to reduce carbon dioxide to glucose. That means glucose is nothing but carbohydrate, which is food of the plant. So we understood three process or three steps of photosynthesis. First, absorption of light energy by the chlorophyll. Second, splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. In third step, this hydrogen generated, it reduced into carbon dioxide and glucose. So in this video we have understood two things: autotrophic mode of nutrition and photosynthesis process, and three steps involved in the photosynthesis process. Let us understand its answer. First, write a note on autotrophic nutrition. Why I have given number 2? Because first number already we have understood, which is life processes. So organism who can make their own food are called autotrophs, and such nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. We know auto means self and trophic means feeding. Autotrophic means self-feeding. That means the organism which can make their own food. So to make the food, autotrophic nutrition shown by all photosynthetic organism, it occurs in green plant and in some bacteria. Some bacteria are also there which are having chlorophyll, so they can make their own food. That's why they come under the autotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, food, keep in mind one thing, food of the plant, that means carbohydrate. Whatever food prepared by the plant is carbohydrate. It is synthesized from inorganic component. Which inorganic component? Carbon dioxide and water. Now this food prepared by the plant, like whatever food we eat, we utilize that food to do different tasks, because from that food we get energy. Same way, plant also get energy from the food, that means from the carbohydrate. So carbohydrate utilized for providing energy to the plant, but whole carbohydrate is not utilized by the plant. Some of the carbohydrate is utilized by the plant, and rest of, that means excess carbohydrate, is stored in the form of starch. So whenever photosynthetic process does not take place, at that time the plant get energy from these excess carbohydrates. You might be thinking, when this photosynthesis process does not take place? At the night. So at night plant utilize this excess carbohydrate in the form of energy. In the plant, this excess carbohydrate, it is stored in the form of starch. So this is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now let us understand the question of photosynthesis process. It was asked in March 2020 in JCB board exam. What is the photosynthesis process? The process by which carbon dioxide and water is converted into carbohydrate, that means food of the plant, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, is called photosynthesis. This is the equation: carbon dioxide and water. This is utilized by the plant in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and it forms carbohydrate, that means glucose. See, this thing you can remember in this way: 6 12 छक्के, 6 12 छक्के, and write about CHO. Let us understand three steps of photosynthesis. First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, we know. Then this chlorophyll converts this light energy into chemical energy, that means water. Now chlorophyll split water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. Whenever this hydrogen and oxygen form, in last step this hydrogen and oxygen is reduced into carbon dioxide and carbohydrate. See over here, this carbon dioxide and water is reduced into carbohydrate, that means glucose, carbon dioxide and the water. So this is photosynthesis step of photosynthesis. Thank you.